students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is English, Standard First, and topic is 3.5 Surprise Birthday Party. Dear children, here in this topic, some friends they together give a surprise birthday party to their one more friend, whose name is Manku. Yes, are you going to attend this party? Are you eager to attend this party? Yes? Then come on, let us move to the party. Dear children, this is our page, that is surprise birthday party topic in your Balabharati textbook. Okay, page number is 29 and 30. Okay, now here you can see here number 1, look at the pictures, listen and read. Here in this lesson we have to observe the pictures first, then we have to listen to the story and then we have to read to the story. Okay? If you want, then I will read this story once. Okay. There was a monkey named Manku. Manku lived in a cave. See this picture. Okay. Now observe this picture and listen. A lake was near the cave. Ducky, the drake, and his sister Lucky lived in the lake. Jin and Jenny, the cranes, lived near the lake. All of them were Manku's friends. They loved to play together. One day, Manku became very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Ducky, Lucky, Jin and Jenny will come to say happy birthday, thought Manku. Soon it was Sunday. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours. But no one came, so he felt very sad. Manku went to the lake, but no one was there. So sadly, Manku came back to his cave. Manku was surprised to see the cake on the table. Wow, a cake, said Manku. Ducky, Lucky, Jin and Jenny came out and shouted, Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Manku! We were waiting to give you a surprise, all said. I baked cake for you, said Jin. I bought you some grapes, said Jenny. And we have made this table for you, said Ducky and Lucky. It's really a surprise for me. Thanks, my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all, said Manku. Then they all danced together. Yes, this is our story. Okay, means our surprise birthday party topic. Dear children, we will go through this story by each line. Okay, and we'll try to understand the picture and the sentences. Let's proceed. Before that, we will try to understand the genders. Here you know, woman means this girl. She is a woman, or we can say female, right? and a man. He is a man, or we can say male. Okay, female means woman, ladies. Male means gents or man. Got this? Like that only in animals also we classify them under male and female, and they have different names. Okay, how we have ladies and gents. Like that, here you can see this is a picture of cats, right? Here this is a female cat that is called as pussy. Really, we call female cat, really she is called as pussy, but we say cat, right? The female cat is called as pussy and male cat is called as cat. Got this? Here you can see duck, pair, right? Here this one is female duck, that is called as simply duck. And here this is a male duck, that is called as drake. Duck, drake, pussy, and this is cat. Okay, and here you can see this is a female crane and this is a male crane. For this, you have to understand this. Okay, duck means female duck, drake means male duck. Okay, like that only. Crane, this is a female crane, Jenny, and he is Jin, J-I-N, Jin. Okay, in the story we will go through. 3.5 Surprise birthday party. Look at the pictures, listen and read. First you observe the picture. Yes, this is a monkey, we know, right? Here there was a monkey named Manku. Monkey का नाम क्या था? Manku. Okay, see this. He is a monkey and his name was Manku. Okay, see the picture. Yes, Manku lived in a cave. गुफा, गुफा को क्या बोलते हैं? Cave. Okay, Manku lived in a cave. Got this? There was a monkey named Manku who lived in a cave. उसका घर किधर था? Cave के अंदर था. Okay? See the picture. You can see a lake. Here you can see a cave. Right? Okay, now see. A lake was near the cave. Got this? A lake was near the cave. Here you can see the birds, isn't it? Ducky, the drake, and his sister Lucky lived in the lake. She is Lucky and he is Ducky. Names, okay? Their names. Lucky, the sister of Ducky, the drake, they too lived in the lake. Here you can see two more birds, that is Jin and Jenny. The cranes lived near the lake. See here, this one is Jin, white one, and this female crane, her name is Jenny. Okay, they too lived near the lake. Now, dear children, how many are there altogether? 2 ducks, okay, 2 cranes and monkey. 5 animals, right? Okay. Yes. All of them were Manku's friends. They loved to play together. Jin, Jenny, then Ducky, Lucky and Manku. You know the names, right? These 5 are very good friends. They love to play with each other. Okay? Yes, see the picture. The monkey is very happy and thinking something, right? One day Manku became very happy. Yes, he is thinking. What? Oh, tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Ducky, Lucky, Jin and Jenny will come to say happy birthday, thought Manko, and he became very happy. He thinking about his birthday that will come on next day, that is on Sunday. So he is very happy like you, right? You also eagerly wait for your birthday, isn't it? Like that only here Manku is waiting for his birthday. He is becoming happy by thinking about the birthday party. Yes, here he is sitting in the cave and waiting for someone, I think, right? Soon it was Sunday. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours, but no one came. So he felt very sad. See, dear children, here only we can see Manku. He is waiting for his friends, that is Ducky, Lucky, Jin and Jenny. Can you see anyone there? No. He also waited for a long time, for hours and hours, but no one came. So what happened? So Manku became very sad. जब भी आप भी कभी सोचते हो कि फ्रेंड्स आ रहे हैं और फ्रेंड्स नहीं आते तो बहुत दुख होता है, राइट? लाइक दैट ओनली Manku became very sad. Then what he did? Yes, he came out of the cave. Then Manku went to the lake, but no one was there. Can you see Manku here? He came near the lake, but here also he not found anyone there. No one was there. Again he became very sad. Then so sadly Manku came back to his cave. Manku was surprised to see the cake on the table. Yes, wow, a cake, said Manku. He was very happy to see a cake on the table. Yes, suddenly Ducky, Lucky, Jin and Jenny came out and shouted, "Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Manku! We were waiting to give you a surprise." All together they said. Manku became very happy. Yes, then Jin said, "I baked cake for you, my dear Manku." And after that, Jenny said, "I bought you some grapes. Take this." And this Ducky and Lucky said, "We have made this table for you." Can you see this stool or table? Yes, this Ducky and Lucky together made this. By listening to this, Manku became very happy. Yes, he said, "It's really surprise for me. Thanks, my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all," he shouted. Then Manku cut the cake and they all enjoyed the cake. After that, they all danced together. Can you see here? They are enjoying. Yes, they are dancing. They are enjoying their party, right? They are enjoying their party. Like this, these friends, that is Ducky, Lucky, Jin and Jenny, they gave a surprise party to Manku. Isn't it a nice one? If your friends give a surprise party on your birthday to you, then you too will become very, very happy. Isn't it? Correct? Okay, dear children, this is all about the surprise party given by the friends to Manku. Okay, got this? I hope you understood this topic. Right? Now, dear children, let us move to the exercise part. Here, talk about your favorite animal. Write a few lines about it. Here we'll start. One example I will give you here. Okay. See this. I have a pet. Okay. We will write about pet animal. Okay. I have a pet. She is a cat. My pet is cat. This is my favorite animal. Okay, she is a cat. You can see in the picture. Her name is Rani. What is her name? Her name is Rani. She plays with me. See, simple sentence you can make here. She plays with me. She likes fish and meat to eat. What this? What she likes? She likes fish and meat to eat. I like her very much. Like this, you have to write few sentences or few lines on your favorite animal. Okay, one more I will show you. Here we will take I have a pet. Okay, she or he is a dash. You have to write which animal. Here we will take a dog. Okay, about this we will write. If he is there, then you have to write he is a dog. If she, female, then you have to write she is a dog. Okay. Then her name or his name is Moti. Then she or he plays with me. For this, you have to write she or he likes fish and bone to eat because he is a dog. So here fish and bone to eat. I like her or him very much. If you are talking about male, then you don't write she here. She, her, she, her. Okay, don't write all these. And if you are talking about female, then you don't use this he, his, he and him. Okay, like this. Try to write some lines on your favorite animal. Maybe it's a parrot. You can write about a rabbit also. Then horse, elephant, whatever. Okay. Here match the following things and sounds with their pictures. Here some things are there and sounds they make. We'll go through. See this. Pictures also are there. You have to observe the picture and see the things names on the left hand side here. Okay. And the words we use for these sounds are given here that we have to match. Okay. See, first one is bell. Can you see bell here? Yes, you know this. This is bell picture, right? We will show with the arrow mark. Bell. This is bell. And what is the sound that bell makes? Bell rings. Very good. Ringing of bell. Correct? So, bell, here picture and bell rings. Like this. I hope you understood how to match this. Correct? Second, horn. The vehicles have horn. Right? So, this is car horn. Yes. What is the sound name or what we call? Horn. Horn honks. Okay, remember this. Okay, got this? Next, clock. Here you can see the clock picture. Clock ticks. Tick tock we say na. That is clock ticks. These are the things names and these are the words we use to say the sound of these things. For this, bell rings, horn honks, clock ticks. Okay, some more are there. Here again things and sounds. Okay, now here you can see the pictures and the names. Okay, now first one, drum. Where is the drum? Yes, very good. This is the drum. The sound. Yes. Beat, right? Correct? The drum beat. Second, door. Here is the door, right? Door bangs. Banging of the door. Knocking means smoothly we knock the door. Bang means dham 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 like that. That is banging. Okay. Last, dishes. Can you see here? Dish. He is washing the dishes. They make some sound that is called as clatter. Dishes clatter. Door bangs. Drum beat. Okay, got this? Yes, thank you dear children. Children, try to read that story again and again so that you will come across with some hard words and you will come to know the meaning of these hard words. Okay? Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.